What's up, guys? Ed from Kansas City here, back at you. Look at Larry with these food savers there. And we got another pallet back here. We have already just started plucking it to pieces. So, as you can see, it's a lot of Keurig stuff. Food savers there. I'll enlarge for you guys so you can see. Got a crock pot there. We got some Keurigs, basically Keurig Dual, Compact. And some customer of mine asked me about this particular one, latte, I guess. So that is good. We got a K Slim down there. So that's really good, guys.
K done.
Yep. So cool with that all day. Over here we have some more interesting things here. That ain't including this guy here, guys. Oh, that in here. As you can see that right there. But we got like 8 more pallets left. 2, 4, 6, 8. So these are Keurigs here. And then we have some more smart iHome of those. This is a 16-inch queen mattress style. Mattress style comfort. That's cool. Okay. Okay. Thanks for joining us today, guys. I'm Ed from Kansas City. Got a whole truckload here. I'll call 7,000 plus shipping. So then you see in this box over here, guys, we got a whole lot more of those wall mounts, guys. There's another bug zapper there. Then you see some more vacuums there. Farmer was just talking about the vacuum. There's another one up there. This is fragile. What is this? Is this some type of Chinaware or something? Let me see if I can get some type of description. It says it is a... I don't know what that says, guys. Kind of hard to see what it is. But it's some type of... Maybe it's some sort of Chinaware or something. Which is cool. That'll work. Adelaide gray or something. Maybe we can peek in there, guys, and see what it is. What is this? What is this? I don't know. It's in a whole nother box, guys. So maybe it's some type of cookware or something. That's what I'm thinking. Some type of cookware on this one. And it actually says it is a... It doesn't say. As you can see, it doesn't say. But I don't know what it is. No worries. What is this stuff here? This here is a fan. That's just a fan. Get this off of here. No, it's not a fan. It's something different. It's more like a cooler system or something. Alright, so there you have that. And then you got these grills here, guys. These are some... Oh, he's on fire here. My goodness. 4-burner gas grill. That is lovely. 4-burner gas grill, guys. And we have this here. Goes to something. Oh, it came out of that box. Okay, I'm going to the corner. Yeah, cool. So it's a whole lot of stuff here, guys. We were not able to get every last little thing. Let's see. Hummingbird accessory. I don't know what that is, guys. I don't know what that is, guys. And this here is a... This is a yard guard. Amazing, right? This is a jet blower. This is a micro shredder. That's a shredder. Over there you have a wall mount and some other things over there. I even see a Christmas vacation disc over there, guys. Imagine that. So it's a lot of goodies in here that I cannot get to. See some workout stuff down there. It's a lot of stuff in here. I apologize for the quality. Apologize. All right, you ready, my man? Just a second, guys. We're going to get these grills out of here. And then we'll be back to show you some more great things. So, guys, we got them in. These reels here, my guys. Monstrous. Oh my goodness, they were extremely heavy, guys. I don't know if that's been used. Probably so, guys. Probably so. It looks in really great condition, though. This is brand new, guys, with all the original boxes with it. So we got a lot of stuff here, guys. You can see we're getting it all in. Man, it is a chore. This one looks really good too. But the grill part looks really used, but the rest, the exterior, is good. Really good. That's really good. So yeah, we got a lot that we're getting done, guys. Small beginnings is what I call it. Small beginnings, because we getting big at some point, I guess. So there you have it. We still have 6 pallets left, guys. 6 pallets. It's a mess out here, ain't it? It's a real mess. Real mess. Still got 6 pallets left, but it's about almost 2:30 in the morning. We started this about 9:30. Made some good progress. You know, Larry was extremely instrumental. That's what he does. He has a moving company, so he knows about all this lifting techniques and all that type of stuff. We have some other stuff over here too. I want to show you guys. That was over here. All of these. It was all of these that I didn't get a lot of pictures of and stuff like that. The basketball things, really great stuff there. I want to show you guys. It's really a whole lot to show. We really couldn't show everything, but it's some really, really fantastic items. This was a very good truckload. Very good truckload, guys. Huh? Okay. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We will be back with those remaining 6 pallets.